How's it going, guys? Just wanted to give y'all a few suggestions on some books. I've got 3 books here that have changed my life. These are the first 3 books that I read that kind of set me on the entrepreneurial journey and helped me and everything. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. The first one here is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Warren Buffett attributes most of his success to this book, so it's definitely a very good read. It's very long and detailed. You may want to just download the audiobook so you can listen to it passively, or if you just like to read, then hey, go for it. His investment tactics are definitely one of the top. Warren Buffett is definitely someone you want to emulate. Also, so this next book is actually the book that set me on the entrepreneurial journey, and this is the one I want to talk about the most. This book right here that I have is actually the Rich Dad's Guide to Investing, and these 3 books are for people that are just starting out. So if you I would honestly suggest getting the first book, and I'll pop that up right here, and definitely get that one. And these books are indispensable. After you get done with that first book, I would read this one. Honestly, the 90-10 principle, the cash flow quadrants, inside investing. The book is indispensable. It's just incredibly packed with knowledge. Also, the main book that everybody always talks about that sets everybody up for this internet lifestyle, the 4-Hour Workweek. Honestly, you can't go without reading this book at least once in your life. It'll inspire you. It'll hopefully inspire you to do what I'm doing and what a lot of internet entrepreneurs are doing. And honestly, guys, this is the future. A lot of these retail stores, brick and mortar stores and things like that, they're all shutting down. So you want to be ahead of the curve. You want to go ahead and get started and learn how the internet works and learn all this stuff. And honestly, guys, if you want to get started in this stuff, I would suggest getting started with e-commerce. It's the easiest. Go ahead and sign up for an eBay account and just start selling stuff around your house. Super easy. Find some boxes at a local Walmart or some retail store, and you could even get bubble mailers at the dollar store. It's super easy to get started, guys. So I'll put links down here under the video to these books. Also, guys, if you like the Audible, I suggest Audible as well. Audible's awesome. I've listened to at least I think around 35 hours of Audibles last time I checked. I can't remember. You'll be surprised how much free time you have to be able to listen to these. So alright, guys, and that's all I got. So leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. I got tons more book recommendations, but these are just my 3 for the beginning entrepreneurs. If you guys want more book recommendations, let me know. Also, comment below and let me know which books you guys would like to see and any other videos you'd like me to do topics on. Alright, guys, see you guys.